Hello, future OTs. My name's Kiki, and in this video, we are gonna talk about passing your NBCOT. Yes! First of all, you can do it, okay? Positive self-talk all the time. Positive self-talk, positive reinforcement, everything. Just go through your head, turn that negative voice off in your brain. You can do it, you can pass. Okay, first thing is done. Second thing, know yourself when you go to sign up for the test. They say take about 6 to 8 weeks to study for it. I took 4 weeks to study. My clinical instructor, who is Jital Patel, she's the owner of Coastal Occupational Therapy, she told me to just go for it. Take the test as soon as you possibly can. And it was the best advice that she could have given me for the test. And I just want to pass that message along. So, of course, you know all the material already. You've been putting it into practice with your field work. So now you just have to kind of review everything that you didn't go over in your field works, right? So you are in charge of when you want to take the test. But if you are like me, then you don't want to take 2 months out of your life and have that anxiety build up of, studying every day or studying every other day, or then you procrastinate and you don't study. So I took 4 weeks. I studied every single day for those 4 weeks. So they were intense weeks, but I went and took my test and I did well. So I ended my field work in July. I took my test in August, and that was it. Then I was ready to go into the work field. Haha. So, okay. So we'll get down to business. There are so many different sites out there, wonderful sites to help you with studying, but my best advice is just stick with NBCOT. Okay, this is the company that's putting on the test, so these are the people that you need to study from. These are the people that you gotta learn from. So NBCOT, when you go to sign up, you have the option of getting the study pack. Buy it. It's like $100, but who cares, because the test is like $500 anyway. So get the study pack with it. Study all the flashcards. Go through all of the quizzes. The quizzes break down into each domain, so they let you know, the types of questions that you're going to be asked. And then it comes with a full practice exam with a clinical scenario. So that's the online version. They also have a study guide. If you're like me, you like paper, you like to write on stuff, right? Make notes. So they have this guy, which is 2 more practice exams with clinical scenarios and rationale for your answers. So the biggest thing is when you are studying and when you are taking these practice exams, even if you get that answer right, go into the rationale and read why, because you got to get into this NBCOT brain and you got to say, okay, this question is this answer because this is how they're thinking and this is how they want me to think, right? So it's those kinds of test taking strategies like we did in, grade school. So NBCOT, they have really, really great rationales as well. So when you get a question right, when you get a question wrong, read the rationale, okay? If you are studying and you come along things that you just can't get a good grasp on, like spinal cord injuries or the Ashworth scale or something that you just are having a hard time remembering, go. Branch out into YouTube, branch out into podcast, whatever you got to do to get it through your brain to remember those things. Go ahead, branch out, go into your books, everything. But it's just as far as a general content, you don't need to go into every single thing. Just things that you're having a tough time remembering. That's where you go and you branch out and you make sure that you can get all of the knowledge in whatever way that helps you learn, whether that is a video or a podcast or you read something about it. Okay. The next book that I want to show you, it's called the Purple Book, even though it's blue. This was a great guide because it's, once again, practice test with rationale. Yay! So this book I'm just going to show it here. That way you get a clear picture of what it is, what it's called. Okay, this book also comes with a promo code, a plus code. I don't know if you can see that, but it probably won't work because I've already used it. But they tell you instructions of where to go on the website and then access this code. That code gives you more practice exams online, okay? And with those clinical scenarios as well. So the best thing for you to do is take as many practice exams as you can. I took 4 practice exams because you just have to build up brain endurance to just get through this test. I mean, it's a 4-hour test. It's a long test, but you can do it. So just take as many practice exams as you possibly can and take as many NBCOT practice exams as you can, because you need to get into that way of thinking, that rationale for why that question is right. That is my best advice that I can give you. Yeah, I know that you're going to do great, and you've already worked so hard, so you are almost there. Good luck studying. See you later.